Attention building product manufacturers. Are you tired of struggling to get your high-quality products and materials in front of the right designers? Then welcome to HIVE Content Management Solution by CTC Software, where more than 20,000 designers are already sourcing building products and materials. By placing your up-to-date digital assets in HIVE, you significantly increase the chances of designers referencing and designing around the current version of your content. That's because HIVE enables highly intuitive and accessible showcasing of products to ensure they are seen by the right designers, with all the information they need to make informed, confident decisions for both product specifications and design models. It's like you're in the same room as them, guiding them through industry-standard product selection, making all product documentation available, and answering any questions they may have. After all, as studies have shown, the probability of successfully closing a sale is significantly enhanced when having an accurate digital model serve as the foundation for design. In fact, the likelihood of a sale is increased by as much as 70%. That's why the digital twin that designers assemble using your digital content will facilitate good data flow, making it a win-win for everyone. And because HIVE is self-managed, you have complete control over your digital content, with the freedom to update in line with manufactured product changes, minus third-party delays. We've made it easy for you to set up shop and showcase your products to a global audience with an entire collection of tools like Shared Parameter Manager, Family Processor, Family Checker, and Analytics to see how customers are searching and which of your products are being used. This means you can update your product information and specifications in real time to ensure your customers always have access to the most accurate and up-to-date information. HIVE enables user feedback and reviews and analytics of those to provide actionable business leads. It's like having your own automated quality control department for these digital design files. This helps with brand recognition sustainably. And the best part, it's completely free for manufacturers to join. Join the hundreds of other manufacturers already in HIVE to showcase your products to a global audience today and take your business to the next level. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to increase your brand recognition and connect with the right designers.